Hello and welcome to Lilama 691 News for December 2013. On the occasion of the new year of 2014, on behalf of the reporters, we would like to extend our best wishes to all of our audiences and staff of Lilama 691 Joint Stock Company for a new year of good health, well-being and prosperity. Following are the headlines marking the most outstanding events for December and the great efforts of Lilama 691 during the year 2013. Election of additional members of the Supervisory Board. Installation of generators into the turbine housing for Mongzuong 1 Thermal Power Plant project. Training on fire prevention and firefighting in 2013. Report on the status of the construction and installation of Unit 4 of Tai Bing Ammonium Nitrate Plant. On the 14th of December 2013, Lilama 691 Joint Stock Company appointed Ngo Ang Duk to the position of Head of the Supervisory Board as a successor to Huang Van Huat. On December 14th, at the company headquarters, the Management Board held an extraordinary shareholders meeting, accepting the departure of Mr. Huang Van Huat due to his transfer, and elected Mr. Ngo Duk Ang, currently Deputy Head of Finance and Accounting, Lilama Corporation, as the newest board member. He is head of the Supervisory Board of Lilama 691 for the 2011 to 2016 period. The year 2013 was a record year for super heavy and ultra-large equipment installation for Lilama 691. In December, Sao Mai Machinery Erection Factory successfully installed generators in the turbine housings for Units 1 and 2 of the Mongzuong Thermal Power Project. Sao Mai Machinery Erection Factory assigned 40 experienced workers from the turbine mill to install Generator Unit 1. It has a weight of 260 tonnes, is over 9 metres in length and 4.4 metres high. This installation was performed without the use of cranes within the narrow turbine housing by using accurate and scientific construction methods.
The process of installation of the generators at this site requires meticulous, careful and accurate work as the construction site is quite small and still in disarray. Another difficulty is that the transmitter device requires very high accuracy with precision in percentages of millimeters, so that any small mistakes could damage the work.
The equipment was moved to the compartment using specialised lifting vehicles. At 7 a.m. on the 3rd of December, 4 100-tonne lifting jacks raised the equipment up to a height of 14.8 metres. The equipment was then towed to the installation location via a rail system designed by Lilama. By 11:30 p.m. on December 4th, the equipment was fully installed with absolute safety of personnel and equipment.
I always encourage the workers to do their best, remembering the words of our General Director that we should not only do our job but also complete the assigned task successfully. Today, I feel really excited.
My Machinery Erection Factory completed the installation of Generator Unit 2 using the same process. The generator is a critical component of the plant. It converts mechanical energy generated by the steam turbine into electricity. The successful installation of the 2 generators is an important milestone that will ensure the operation of Unit 1 by the first quarter of 2015 and Unit 2 by the third quarter of 2015. According to official statistics, in 2013, approximately 2,600 fire and explosion events were recorded throughout Vietnam, causing 124 deaths and injuring 349 people. These figures show the severity of the fire and explosive accidents. In order to raise staff awareness and to provide fire prevention and firefighting skills for staff to protect life and property in all aspects of the company operations, on December 20th, 2013, the company coordinated with the Fire Prevention and Firefighting Unit of Bac Ninh Police Department to run a training course on fire prevention and firefighting practices at Buckning Steel Structure and Mechanical Equipment Factory. This is an annual program event for Lilama 691. During the training course, employees of Lilama 691 were trained in the possible causes of fire and explosion, as well as potential damage to people and facilities. Trainees were taught how to extinguish fires using powder and CO2 sprayers, practiced how to deal with fire and explosions, and how to coordinate their efforts with the professional fire prevention and firefighting unit. The training raised awareness of the importance of fire prevention, provided skills in firefighting, and a sense of personal responsibility in protecting life, health and property at home and at work. Participants now feel prepared to deal with any such incidents. In the context of Vietnam's membership of the WTO, cooperation with foreign partners is one of the key strategies to improve the capacity of Vietnam's enterprises. Lilama 691 attaches great importance to cooperation and partnership with foreign companies in order to undertake major industrial projects in Vietnam, as well as to act as an EPC contractor for small and medium projects. At the meeting, the Malaysian companies introduced their upcoming projects in Malaysia's petrochemical and thermal power sectors. These projects will employ up to 70,000 people. On behalf of Lilama 691, General Director Ngo Quoc Ting introduced Lilama's strengths in installation of large industrial projects in Vietnam, focusing on the fields of thermal power, oil refining, chemical manufacture, and design and fabrication of structural steel and equipment for both domestic and international projects. After the Malaysian delegates were given a guided tour of the Buckning Steel Structure and Mechanical Equipment manufacturing plant, they expressed their confidence in the capacity of Lilama 691, along with their willingness to cooperate with Lilama in the near future. The next part of the program is our brief report on the main events that took place in the company last December. From the 2nd to the 6th of December 2013, Deputy General Director Ha Van Mi met with the leaders of Hitachi Corporation in Tokyo, Japan. The two companies agreed on training programs where Lilama will send 2 engineers to study with Hitachi in Japan in 2014. Hitachi also reported on the interim study results of Vu Tang Tang and Nguyen Lop Sun, the 2 Lilama engineers currently involved in training programs on construction, management and operation of nuclear power plants at Hitachi in Japan. On the morning of 11 December 2013, at the Tai Bing Ammonium Nitrate Plant project, the investor, Mining Chemical Industry Corporation, and the EPC consortium of UHD Corporation, TTCL Corporation and Lilama 691 celebrated 1 million safe working hours with no labour accidents. The contractors, including Lilama, received a certificate for their safe work, commending them for outstanding performance in ensuring the safety of both persons and equipment. From the 14th to the 19th of December 2013, a delegation of 691, headed by General Director Ngo Quoc Ting, visited ThyssenKrupp Group in Germany, where they discussed a long-term strategic partnership. ThyssenKrupp introduced their major projects in South Africa, Asia, Europe, South and North America and the Middle East, and General Director Ngo Quoc Ting outlined the strengths and resources of Lilama. ThyssenKrupp Group expressed their appreciation for Lilama's work on the Tai Bing Ammonium Nitrate Plant project and looked forward to continuing cooperation on new projects. On the morning of December 12, 2013, at Mong Zuong 1 Thermal Power Plant in Quang Ninh, Lilama 691 successfully installed steam drum 2B of boiler 2. The steam drum is a little over 22 metres in length, 1.8 metres in diameter and weighs 162 tonnes. This is the last of 4 steam drums. Drums 1A, 1B and 2A were successfully installed on June 21, August 26 and October 15 respectively. Taibing Ammonium Nitrate Plant project is one of the key projects currently being implemented by Lilama 691. The package implemented by the company is valued at over 330 billion Vietnam dong, with a revenue target in 2013 of 180 billion Vietnam dong. Erection Team Number 4, with more than 300 employees, is executing this project. Overcoming all difficulties and challenges, the team has completed its construction tasks, ensuring our standards for safety, quality, progress, and the environment. The following report reflects the current work of Erection Team 4 on the Taibing Ammonium Nitrate Plant project site. The installation of Module 1, weighing 67 tonnes, was the final module of the granulation tower, and it was the most important task of Erection Team Number 4 in December. Module 1 was more difficult than Module 2, which weighed 92 tonnes, due to its unbalanced shape.
The granulation tower is very heavy and quite large, presenting great difficulty in the installation process. In addition, its center of gravity is skewed, making it hard to calculate the lifting positions. Prior to installation, we had to recalculate the center of gravity to ensure correct placement.
Lilama, as well as the investor and contractors, commend the work spirit of the construction team and the erection team, especially the welding team, for their rich experience and commitment to the difficult task of erecting the granulation tower, which had a narrow surface area and is over 50 metres high.
Our welding team is one of the strongest teams on this project, and it is highly appreciated by the investors, contractors, and supervisors. We confirmed with the investor and the contractor that we will always complete the assigned jobs, including those with international certificates.
The granulation tower is the plant's heaviest piece of equipment, with the most complex structure, but with the remarkable collaborative efforts of Erection Team Number 4, the installation was successfully completed.
The successful installation of the first module marks the completion of the granulation tower. This is a crucial part because the seeds will be separated from this granulation tower.
Và các thiết bị đi trên cái tháp này.
The remarkable achievements of Lilama's Erection Team Number 4 in 2013 include: on 13 September, installation of 6 granulation tower pillars; on 29 September, installation of granulation tower hopper; on 10 October, installation of the absorption tower in the nitric acid compartment with a height of 41.5 metres and weighing 136 tonnes; on 26 October, installation of Module 3 weighing 51 tonnes; on 4 November, installation of Module 2 weighing 92 tonnes; and on 3 December, installation of Module 1, the final module, weighing 68 tonnes. 2 years after commencement, the Taibing Ammonium Nitrate Plant, a key national project of the Vietnam Coal and Minerals Industrial Group, is taking shape in Tai Thuy, Taibing, due to the dedication of officers, engineers and workers of Erection Team Number 4. The year 2013 was a difficult year for all businesses. But overcoming these difficulties, Lilama 691 has strived to complete all construction tasks on schedule for all of its projects. To finish the program of this year, we bring you images of the projects executed by Lilama 691 in 2013.